Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Now this is my favorite subscription by Ipsy. They do have the regular Ipsy Glam Bag, and then which is $12 a month. Then they have the Plus. Both of them you get 5 items, but the regular Glam Bag you get 5 deluxe size samples. Sometimes with like lipsticks, eyeliners, or something like that, you do get full size. And with this one, it is 5 full size, and then they have the ultimate. Well, ever since the ultimate started, I don't know. I don't think Ipsy's been bringing it. I don't think they've been doing such a great job with it. You get 12 products in it. It's $50 though. And you're talking about $50 of hard-earned cash, okay? To me, I don't think it's worth it. I don't really recommend it. I do have it. I am going to drop it because to me, you're an 8 full size and then 4 deluxe size samples. I'm waiting to see what I get this month, and I probably will drop it after this month because I know I can already feel it that it ain't gonna be the best. But now with this one, normally they do a really good job. I don't know. I heard Ipsy got sold. I'm not really sure about that. But since that month, which was October, everything with the Ultimate has just, and I don't know, they just don't bring it like they used to. And with all bags, you do get, or with every single one of them, you do get bags. The regular bag, you get a little bag. Then in this one, you get a medium bag. And the other one, you get a large bag. Now, the bags have been really nice. I'm not going to complain about them. They have been really good. And they did, like, redo the boxes. We used to get, like, just the, like, pink bag. It's like this now, too. So, my card fell out. Feel the Love is the theme of this month because it's Valentine's Day. We don't want to look at that yet. So, here's the inside of the box. It says, discover yourself, which we all should discover ourselves. We all should love ourselves. And okay, so the first thing is by Laruce. I guess I'm pronouncing that right. It's vegan, cruelty-free, hydrogenetic, synthetic, and it's made in China. And it's got this cute little sticker. It is just like recyclable paper. So I've never heard of this brand. Now me personally, I know I'm not going to put my brushes back in this. It's a thicker paper. It's not actually cardboard or something like that. It is a little thicker. But it is a nice little detail. So we got some brushes. We got 5 brushes. We got 2 bigger brushes. So we got a good, looks like a buffer brush to me. The hairs feel soft. So this is a flat foundation. It's their LR335. It kind of reminds me of, I don't know, I had some brushes with this. Where did I get them at? Then we got like is there a blush or a contour? This is an angle contour. It's the LR334. I do like the brushes. They're really soft. I hope they're not like too soft, like where they just go flat. I don't want to touch my face with these because they did come from China. Not that I think anything that, I don't think you should put anything on your face until it's washed. Okay, so we got a shadow LR110 is right here. So I like that. Then I got the taper blending LR005. then we have the Kabuki. It's the LR222. There's it. That one's a little bit more dense than the rest of them. Okay, so I did like the brushes. I've never heard of the brand, but I am willing to try new brands. Like, I had never used these. Cultural Complex Culture. Now, I ended up loving these brushes. They're really soft, and their contour brush, the angle one, I love it. Okay. So then, by DC Cosmetics, this is the... Oh, I like the packaging. That is really cute. It does have the name on the back. It's called Sweater something. We'll look in a minute. So you got 6 shades. It does come with a mirror. So you got 6 shades. We'll swatch these really fast. I love DC Cosmetics, which is Dominique Cosmetics. So I know I'm going to like this. This palette's Sweater something, and I like the feel of the palette. It feels really nice. It does have like texture to it. So love that. Then we have the Murad Environmental Shield Essential C Day Moisturizer. It's got a broad spectrum, SPF 30, PA+++. And this is to brighten and help shield skin from environmental aggressions. We got 1.7 flow ounces in it. Now, I've used some Murad skincare products. I've always loved them. So here is the tube. And there it is. I like the way it feels. I can smell, like, I don't know, vitamin C has got like a smell to it that I like, so I don't know. Smells good. But it's already toning down, so that is good. I don't really like something that's overpowering or anything like that. But anything with vitamin C in it has got like a certain citrus smell to it. To me, it does. Then we got a lipstick. So Velvet Lipstick. Touch in So. Yeah, I've used some of their products. They have a foundation I absolutely love, which I should buy because it does wonders for my skin. Pretty Filter, which they come out with a lot of the Pretty Filter stuff. So this is a So Velvet lipstick, and it is like a pink. And it is right here. Let's go ahead and try this on. Okay. I like it. It's not like too pink. I thought it was going to be darker on the lips. I didn't even have a mirror. Oh, yeah, I do. A little high. It's okay. So I do like it. I wear more liquid lips than I do anything, so I would prefer liquid, but you know, something like that is nice to have. And really, with lips, some lipsticks, something like this, you probably need to be careful with and put it on lightly, because some of them comes off, a few of them, they come off and they look awful if you put them on too thick, but if you put a thin layer on, they do good. IL Makiage. And this is their ink liner. It's 1.2 milliliters, which is 0.04 flow ounces. And here it is. I've been thinking about trying their foundation. Have you guys tried it? I don't know. I've been thinking about it. I just haven't tried it. Look how long that is. It's good and stiff. I think it'd be hard to draw a little line. I think you could do it. Yeah. It's really good in black. Okay. So there's our 5 items. And here is our bag. I do like the bag. It's pink, like a chrome pink. It's got this like little zipper. And it's, I like how it's a little darker. Like light and dark. It looks good. And it does have the Ipsy logo. So we do have one more thing. And it is an add-on. Okay, so I got the Wonder Beauty Nude Illusion Liquid Foundation. And you did get 1.01 flow ounce. Which typical foundation is 1 flow ounce. So you got just a little bit over, like the tube. I like Wonder Beauty. I did get it in light, which they had like 3 or 4. They had like, I think 4 shades, and it said, which this is on Ipsy. I didn't do no other like looking at it. But when they do this, it's really like hard to tell because looking at it, it looks like it's gonna be really light on me. I was gonna go with medium, but the picture of it looked like it was gonna be too dark, so I went with this. Hopefully, it's like, okay, there we go. Okay, so it's a Dofa applicator. Ooh, it's thin. So here it is. I had heard good stuff about it, so I wanted to try it. It does look like it would be full coverage. And that's what I'm worried about, is full coverage. Today I'm using Ipsy Cosmetics. It is supposed to be full coverage, but it is not. My freckles still show through. Red patches still show through. I don't really, like, have a lot of red patches, but normally, like, I get one right in here. I don't know, but I can still see the freckles and stuff. I always try to cover them up. So, got a little eyeliner, but it does look like it would be full coverage. It does like, it does look like it is oxidating a little bit. But what I was thinking about the color, they had like fair, light, medium, dark. Okay, to me, that's not enough. I don't like when the companies do that because it's just like we all have different skin colors. And even though like I'm light and someone else is light, we're different lights. You need like, I've got a pink undertone. Other people's got yellow, you know. So having it like that just really don't make sense to me because I think you should do something like ivory beige and stuff like that. I just don't like a light color, but I wanted to try it because everybody said it was like really good and it was only $12, so I figured I'd try it. Okay, so that is everything we got in our bag. I'm really happy with the bag. I love this. I think it's Dominique Cosmetics Sweater Weather eyeshadow palette. It does retail for $29. So you've already covered your box and made $4. Okay, so the Murad is actually $65. Normally we do get over $100. In here we're getting like really close, or we're already over, almost over. So we're like almost $6 to being $100. And then the eyeliner does retail for $21. And the lipstick by Touch and Soul retails for $16. And last but not least, okay, I can't believe the price on this. Okay, I don't know, you guys. I don't know, because I don't know nothing about the company Laruce. I don't know if I'm saying it right or not. But these are actually retailed for $154. So is that for like all the brushes, or is there a bigger set? To be a company I don't know would be retailed for so high, but maybe it's a company and maybe I'm just left behind somewhere. I don't know. But it is like 5 brushes, 3 eyeshadows. I can get Morphe brushes cheaper than that. And I always like my Morphe brushes. So this is probably like hitting around $200 or maybe a little over. It's a little over $200. Yeah, it's over $200. So this box is probably around $250. It does tell you your box number. I got box 116FE20101664. I don't know when they started doing that, but I don't know. I love her eyeshadow palettes. These are, I mean, they just blend out so perfectly. So I'm really excited about that. Even my $154 brushes, because I love brushes. It's just something I do. I don't think I ever have too many brushes. But I hope you guys did like this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you will be notified when I do upload, which is every Monday, Wednesdays, Fridays. Sometimes I do bonus videos like during when my, I can't even think today, when my subscription boxes is coming in. So you might get 3 or 4, maybe 5, 6 videos a week when they are coming in. And if you guys would like to see a look with this palette, just let me know and I will make it, because these are such pretty colors and I cannot wait to play with it. And maybe even the foundation, I'll give you guys my feedback on it. But you guys have a good one.